Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Sora 2 AI and also how to get the invite codes for free. And I'm also going to be dropping 5 invite codes in this video. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so welcome back to this video. So first of all, you're going to go over to any browser of your choice, or you're going to install this on your Apple device from your Apple store, or you're going to go over to any browser of your choice. I share one of the invite code. 4 persons can use the invite. I'm going to be sharing 5 invite code, which over 20 persons can have access to this Sora. It's make sure to see the end of this video not to miss the invite code. I'm going to be dropping it 6 letters. I'm going to be dropping 2 letters on some particular aspects of this video, so make sure to be vigilant not to miss the invite code. So I'm going to go over to my browser and you're going to type in sora.chatgpt.com. When you click on enter, so here you can see Sora is not available in your country. Sora is not available in Nigeria yet. So I'm going to be making use of a VPN called AVG VPN. So I'm connected to the US, and you can use any VPN of your choice. You can use either the NordVPN or AVG VPN or a NordVPN. I recommend a paid VPN to get a smoother access. So I'm going to turn on my VPN right here. We can see I'm connected to my VPN, so I'm just going to reload this. So here you can see here I'm already in the Sora site. So I already have an invite code here. So let me open my, so you can see here invite friends. I already have an invite code and I've created a project here. So I'm going to be dropping the code in this video, so make sure to stay to the end of this video. So first of all, you can either describe your image you want or the video you want. So for you to add in an image, you need to go to add cameo, which is available only to iPhone, so you can install it on your Apple device and add in a cameo. Yes, so for this I'm going to be creating a short video ads with this. I'm going to click on add, and you can see here I have to agree to the terms and accept. So I'm going to load, paste it, then it will be loading. So I'm going to paste in my prompt. So I'm going to paste in my prompt over here. So you can see the prompts I added. So it's already loading. So for you to have access to whatever you have created, you just come over to your profile here. When you come over to your profile, you're going to see some of the projects you have created. So this is loading, so let's wait for it to load. So yeah, the video is downloading, so I'm just going to play it.
This isn't just a phone, it's the new iPhone 17 Pro, powered by the all-new A19 Bionic chip, redefining performance. An immersive 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR display.
Here you can see the video with the same prompt, so you can see the short ads it created. You could see what I got. So let's also try other ones for the Xiaomi 17 Pro. So I'm going to place in my prompt here and add in my image. So this is my image. I'm going to add in my image, the 17 Pro Xiaomi. You can see it's downloading. I'm going to send it and see the results we get. So you can see added to queue. It's loading, it's generating. So you can see that the Xiaomi Pro ads has finished. So you can see the ads there.
Details like never before, powered by hypercharged. Introducing the Xiaomi 17 Pro, power redesigned, a revolutionary 200 megapixel camera system capturing details like never before, powered by hypercharged. Introducing the Xiaomi 17 Pro.
So this is the other one I created for the iPhone 17 Pro Max
by the all-new A19 Bionic chip.
So if you want to download this, just go over to here, these 3 dots, and click on download.
It's the new iPhone 17 Pro, powered by the all-new A19 Bionic chip, redefining performance.
So you can see amazing videos that have been generated already. So you can see a lot of amazing videos. So let's try in this last prompt. I'm going to select this Coca-Cola image here. So wait for it to load. Download it. I'm going to send it and see the results we get. So you can see added to queue, and I'm going to go out to my profile and wait for it. So you can see the Coca-Cola advert I did.
In Niger, life is full of energy, and nothing brings us together like an ice-cold Coke. Taste the feeling. Taste Niger.
So for you to get the invite code, you're going to come over to your browser and search for Open AI Discord, and you're going to see this here, Open AI Discord. So if you don't have a Discord account, you can sign up, but I noticed that Currently, you can see to access the official Discord server, you need verification that have an OpenAI. So when you click on verify with OpenAI, when you click on verify, you're going to see this pop up here. So when you have joined and so on, you're going to see this pop up here. Click on verify, you visit it, and you can see here we are currently experiencing some delay in verification. So this is a new account I opened and it has not been verified close to an hour or two. So I'm going to use my other account to access it. So when you come over to your Discord server, you're going to see here that says Sora code. So when you're in the Sora code, you can see a lot of people are posting that Sora codes there. So you have to be very fast. You can see a lot of people are posting their invite code and a lot of people are asking for invite code, so you can get it here. Although most people post fake codes, but some people actually paste real codes. So you can get to your code here, so you can see how I got my first code. So I waited, so I splitted my screen. One was the Sora and the other one was the Discord server. So I did it very fast. So I waited for each new code, then copied my code and pasted it, and you can see I have access to the Sora. So I have to quickly copy it and pasted it. So you have to be fast here because a lot of people are looking for the code. So you can see here, welcome to Sora. So I have access to this. So I have a code, kindly share with those that don't have in the comment section. This is how to get your code. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and let me know if these codes actually worked for you. The codes I shared in this video, let me know if it actually worked for you and so have access to the Sora 2 AI. So if you found this video helpful, kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. Let me know in the comment section if the codes I actually shared worked for you, and if you got access through my invite code, you can kindly share your invite code in the comment section. I'm Joseph from Basic Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.